Introduce LibraFlow as a modern library management system designed to automate and simplify library operations. Highlight that it is built using Python and Streamlit with a clean, intuitive web interface. Explain common challenges in traditional libraries: manual record keeping, difficulty tracking books, member management issues, and lack of insights. Position LibraFlow as a smart digital solution. Visually showcase key features: book management, member management with profile photos and membership types, borrow and return system with automatic due dates, fine calculation for overdue books, advanced search and filters, clean, responsive dashboard UI. Use animated highlights and icons for each feature. Demonstrate the workflow. Librarian adds books and members. Members borrow books through the system. Due dates and availability update automatically. Returns and fines are calculated instantly. Show smooth transitions between screens. Highlight the visual analytics dashboard, book distribution by category, member activity statistics, borrowing trends, financial insights. Use animated charts and graphs. Briefly display the tech stack: Python and Streamlit, SQLite database, Plotly for charts, Pandas and Pillow for data and images. Use clean tech icons. Mention ideal use cases: colleges and universities, schools, public libraries, academic projects, and demos. End with a confident conclusion emphasizing efficiency, ease of use, and scalability. LibraFlow is a smart, reliable, and modern approach to digital library management designed for efficiency, clarity, and growth.